Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around this Kawasaki Versys 1000. As you can see, it comes with full luggage and heated grips as well. We'll do a full walk around and then I'll get the bike started up for you. So we'll start down here at the forks, which are in pretty good condition. As you can see, we've got the Michelin tyres here and the dual brakes in the front. Let me show you the other fork here. Plenty of life left in the tyres there as well. On the front you can see the handguards, Kawasaki handguards there. And you've got the upgraded Puig screen. Behind the side, bodywork's in good nick. No scuffs or anything. You can sort of see some of the plasticky bits are a little bit faded, but that's me being pretty harsh on it, to be honest. It's pretty good. Adjustable suspension here at the back. And we've got the Michelin on the rear. And again, plenty of life left in the tyre. No rips and tears in the seat. And it's full Kawasaki luggage there as well, including a pillion backrest if you're carrying anybody with you. Jumping round the other side. Chain and sprockets are in good condition. Again, bodywork's looking good. Coming up here, you'll see the Oxford heated grips and the controls here as well. Let me get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. Let's get her started for you. Now it's running a bit low in fuel, we'll get that sorted for you. Right, whilst the bike warms up, I'll just confirm everything's working as it should, so we'll start with the indicators here. That's your normal running light. The heated grips are really easy to use. So you've got a plus and a minus. You push the plus and you'll see the light move up to however hot you want them, and then you push them back down to get them back off as well. There's a few options you've got in here, so you can see the mileage there, 15,230. Each trip can get a couple of different things you can do. And then you've got the temperature, so the engine temperature here, obviously we just started the bike, so it's still registering that. And the current temperature outside is 20 degrees, but it feels a lot warmer than that. Let me give her a few revs and you can hear how she sounds. There we have it, the Kawasaki Versys 1000. Any questions you've got with the bike, please let me know. Cheers.